Today we're gonna remove the airbag module for Equinox, Chevy Equinox 2015. So we're gonna show you where is the location and how you can move it easily without damaging any parts of the cars. So once you take the driver's seat out, like what we did here, you take the driver's seat and you have two hooks back here behind the seat with a T50 hooks. And then once you get this screw right here, and you get the second one and third one, and then you're gonna unbolt this one right here. You lift it with a lever this way, just a little bit, so you're gonna be able to take the module out. So the module is gonna be under the center arm seat, the armrest drop back here. So it's gonna be a resist, and be careful so you don't have to damage the plugs back there. So the resist, once you have it back in, this module I already removed it and I reset the crash. So in the next video maybe we can show you how we can reset the crash into many different ways, either from the bin out for this module right here, the first bin and in the first row on the bottom, and the first bin in the second row, that's the power, and the third one from the left and the bottom one is the ground. And then you're gonna have the GM, is not a CAN bus, it's gonna be GM communication, which is gonna be the second one in the middle row right here, the second one. And here you go, you can read it with any programmer that you have to reset the crash. If you don't have you should have a free dump, or you can upload the dump from the module and then you fix it with a calculator, any airbag calculator you have, and that's it. And once you have this one done, make sure that you can remove the battery, and see you in the next video then. If you like it, if you want to subscribe, that's okay. If you want to get more videos, just like the video. Thank you.